Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. CC here. Hope you're having a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. So today I have some news for you regarding different cryptocurrencies and of course what is going on in the crypto market. And I wanted to start with Cardano, one of my favorite coins. I've been invested for a few years now. I woke up today, guys, looking at Cardano jumping around 20%. Take a look at this. So Cardano was roughly around 28 cents yesterday and it peaked at 34 cents. So that's over 20% increase. And there is some news regarding Cardano now. It might not directly link to this particular pump because it's not the only cryptocurrency that actually pumped. But I think that there is some interesting things about it. And I think that everybody who is investing in Cardano or is interested about Cardano to know what is going on. Cardano beats all the other top 10 cryptos in terms of 24-hour gains. Nice. Cardano's price received a major boost over the last 24 hours. The altcoin's prices also outperformed BTC and Ethereum, so also pumped, but not as much as Cardano. So ADA's price now has to overcome a weekly resistance level before it can continue its rally. I'm going to do some technical analysis about Cardano in a few moments, and let's jump right into what we can expect for Cardano in 2023. There is three major releases that are programmed to happen in 2023 specifically for Cardano, and I'm of course very excited about it. Number one, two stablecoins are actually expected on the Cardano network for the first quarter of 2023. First is the centralized stablecoin USDA, which will be a US dollar backed asset. To maintain its parity, it will use fiat asset and still enjoy Cardano benefits such as network efficiency. Another well-awaited stable asset is DJET, token developed in partnership with Coty. The stablecoin will maintain its peg to the dollar through Cardano smart contract design. In order to maintain its peg, DJET will have a reserve of base currencies that will mine and it will burn other stable assets and reserve currencies to contain fluctuation. Cross our fingers is going to happen Q1 of 2023. Number two, we have Hydra Layer 2 scalability solution. In 2022, Cardano took a big step toward its network scalability through the Vassal hard fork. Hydra aims to improve transaction speed through a low latency and high throughput without giving up low transfer rates. Amazing. The first member of the family is Hydra Head. It will enable developers to add complex and specialized protocols on top of Cardano. According to Charles Hoskinson, who is the creator of Cardano, this Hydra layer can facilitate other things such as fast finishing, microtransactions, and micro-gorging. This must be one of the most important developments of the cryptocurrency team. After all, the white paper was released in March 2020. Now, last, we have oracles on Cardano. Rounding out the list of expectations is oracles on the Cardano blockchain. This modality is particularly important because it manages to connect on-chain and off-chain data. A fitting example of Oracle growth is through Chainlink, which manages to deliver this modality to smart contracts on Ethereum, helping them to reach their true potential, which may also help in the market acceptance of the Cardano network. Examples of implementations for oracles are atomic swaps, cross-chain liquidity pools, and pricing decided by mutually agreed Oracle data. With the help of this key area of this blockchain industry, Cardano further qualifies as a major Ethereum competitor, and that is precisely what is expected for Cardano's Oracle in 2023. So let's see what will happen. Let's do some technical analysis here for Cardano. Here we have the Cardano chart. Now, I just wanted to point out that for the last 24 hours, Cardano managed to gain 26%. This does not come as a surprise for me. Of course, we have also the crypto market in general pumping for the moment, but I wanted to show you that Cardano also, since 25 of December, it has pumped nearly 44%. Now, we have seen this before. I don't want to get too excited because in my opinion, we're still in the bear market, but I wanted to show you also here that Cardano did also pump 33% at one point before another crash. We are now at 32 cents. So we are ranging between resistance 1 and support 1 at the moment, which is at 33 cents and our support at 30 cents. We should be ranging in this particular position for some time now, but of course nobody can know that for sure. However, what I wanted to show you that the price would actually, keep ranging in this particular support and resistance. If it managed to break it, it might do a retest on resistance 1, and this resistance over here will turn into support. Now, the other major resistance that I would say that Cardano will need to eventually break and turn into a support is this part right here, which is 42 and a half cents. Now, of course, this doesn't mean that the price is going to go all the way up right now and break and make new all-time highs, but of course the price can still do this, and then, you know, just break the resistance level 1. It could actually come back here and make support 1 into a resistance again, and then it can even make new lows. Nobody can know this for sure at the moment, guys. Enjoy this small pump, trade accordingly. I do not trade. I am a long-term investor. Like I said earlier, I do believe we're still in a bear market, and so we'll just have to wait and see. Now let's move on to something else. French financial regulator supports faster mandatory licensing for crypto firms. And if you watched my previous video, I talked about the French regulators that they wanted to push for regulations for cryptocurrencies, specifically for firms who are providing cryptocurrency assets to actually have a license. So France's Financial Market Authority wants to force crypto companies to seek a license if they aren't already registered in the country. Its chair Marie-Anne Barbat-Layani said on Monday. So Barbat-Layani appeared to be supporting a move proposed last year by the French Senate, which would mandate crypto firms to seek some of regulatory recognition in anticipation of the European Union's markets in crypto assets MICA regulation by October 1st, 2023. So they should be able to get their license by October 1st, 2023. A number of promised companies, including Binance, have registered with the AMF. The registration involves checks on companies' governance and compliance with anti-money laundering rules. No provider has yet been issued a license, a voluntary procedure set out under French law. So as you can see, guys, for now, there is no company that have a license. However, Binance is registered with the AMF, and I believe that Binance is complying with the rules and regulations. I believe that Binance, of course, you all know it is the biggest exchange in the whole world, and I believe that they are trying to keep up with the law and the regulations. Polygon, I have some good news about Polygon Matic, guys, and I think that Polygon is getting a lot of headlines lately. Polygon announces a launch of MasterCard Artist Accelerator on Polygon. This particular news, guys, was released today. Polygon is already up 7.5%, as you can see here. So MasterCard reveals plans to leverage Polygon to assist and guide musical artists into the Web3 space. The program is designed to assist musical artists in learning how to expand their brand via minting NFTs. The accelerator will also include a limited edition NFT called the MasterCard Music Pass. All right, that's a nice leverage for MasterCard to attract more musical artists. Let's just wait and see what's going to happen here. But a collaboration between Polygon and MasterCard is huge. Polygon offered $3 million to youths to quit Solana. Now, guys, you should already know what is going on with Solana. Solana has had a lot of backlash for the past few months, specifically the FTX scandal. However, Solana is up 22% nearly in the past 24 hours. But I don't want to talk about Solana right now. I want to focus more on Polygon. So D-Labs has shared receiving $3 million grant to move youths projects from Solana to Polygon. So they want to use Polygon instead of Solana. Other change besides Polygon also offered the money to D-Labs, but Polygon has been chosen as the best direction for youths. The funds will be used to expand the team of D-Lab. In December and today, NFT News reports that Solana NFT projects, DeGods, and youths will shift blockchains. Looks like the time has come along with lots of funds. According to recent news, D-Labs has disclosed that the startup has got $3 million grant to transfer youths to Polygon. First mover Asia, Bitcoin eclipses $17,000, breaking out of 3-week trading range. Now, Bitcoin has actually broken the $17,000 resistance, which technically Bitcoin was ranging for the past 3 weeks. There was no action at all. Of course, the reason nobody can know exactly, there is no breaking news at the moment. There is no huge news out there that I'm going to tell you guys, this is the reason, or whoever tells you that. I really don't think they cannot really know the exact reason. There are small news right and left for everybody to know what is going on, and I think this is a major important news that I think everybody should know. Bitcoin miners stop selling. Is this a bottom signal? Well, it could be, but it does not mean that the bear market is finished. This could mean that the Bitcoin price bottom has actually been reached, so it could consolidate there. It could be an accumulation phase after that, and then we might see the bull market emerge finally. So Bitcoin miners to stop selling, I think that's very important, because at the end of the day, the Bitcoin miners are doing a lot of work. They're validating the transaction on the blockchain network. So if the Bitcoin miner shut down, then you're looking at the Bitcoin network, not being as strong as it should be. However, A reliable indicator from previous bear markets, the overall BTC miner activity shows that the bottom could be near if it's not already in. The miner capitulation that began in mid-December may be over for now. So according to Glassnode data, the heavy selling pressure from miners that has weighed on the market over the past 4 months has subsided for now. The Bitcoin miner net position changes is back to the green, which means that miners are accumulating again instead of selling, as analyst Will Clemento pointed out. Nice. Now here I wanted to show you how it basically looks. This is technically the Bitcoin chart from 2009 until 2023 January over here. Now we can clearly see here we have a bull market, then bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market. Here we can see the price of Bitcoin in black, and in orange we can see the Puel multiple. So technically these are the miners' performance, and we can clearly see how the miners have been selling here and then buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying up until here, then selling here. So we can clearly see that here we had a breakout, then the bull market started. Selling, breakout, buying, then selling, breakout, buying, selling, buying, selling, bear market of 2022, and then could be a signal of a new breakout here, and then we might actually see miners are actually starting to buy again. However, Jiang Zhuer, CEO of miningpoolbtc.top, today discussed his take on the current Bitcoin market cycle. According to Zhuer, BTC may have bottomed in 2022 when the FTX collapse caused the price drop to 15.4 thousand. If so, all 3 bear markets would have taken a similar amount of time from the previous all-time high to the bottom. Now, guys, make no mistake, this does not mean that the bull market is going to start tomorrow because we've hit a bottom. Of course, the price can still range between this price and maybe 17, 18, 20, 25, 30,000, and then come back here again, and then again range for some time, and then again hopefully turn into a bull market. The 4-year halving leading to the 4-year cycle low still appears to be unbreakable, the CEO claims. This is very important information, and I hope that this is going to continue. The analysis is also reinforced by the chart below. Here I'm going to show you also the chart of Bitcoin. I've done some technical analysis for you. Here we can see that Bitcoin has been ranging since 16th of December up until this breakout over here, which was today, 9th of January. We can see that Bitcoin broken a strong support of 17,000, currently now touching a new resistance, which is a 17.3 thousand. So we'll need to break this one and turn this resistance into a support. And of course, another major resistance over here, guys, it's at $17,500. This is a major resistance because if I do this, if I take the price all the way back, we can also see here that this was a resistance, then turned into a support. And at the same time, it is very close, of course, to the top, which was around $20,000. So I wanted to finish with Mexico's digital peso delayed unclear launch date. Now, Mexico digital peso, I believe that it was supposed to be launched in 2024, but it's unlikely to happen. However, guys, Mexico's digital peso is considered to be a CBDC, which is a central bank digital currency, of course, or the country's digital currency, which of course is going to be controlled and hardly regulated by the country, which of course raises some eyebrows for the decentralization community, because of course this is not decentralized. The government, of course, would like to have their eyes open and their ears open into every single payment or transaction that you do. So this is basically what I had for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you on the next one. CC is out.